everyone, this is the face behind Wandering with Laura, and today I'm at Inks Lake State Park, aka my job, and I am going to go kayaking, and then I'm going to see if I have time to go find some wildflowers. I know where some are, but I want to take you all along with me just so you can see the coolness of these wildflowers. So yeah, I'm going to go kayaking. I've got all my stuff. I'm also going to be reviewing, I got a new, I got a bag, like a 5mm bag. I'll put the brand here, but yeah, I'm going to be reviewing that while I go kayak, so let's go kayaking. So I'm out on the kayak. The plan is to kind of just troll around a little bit, but definitely head down towards Devil's Watering Hole, just because I don't want to be out here for too long, is because it is going to get hotter. Yeah, so normally this is about $20 an hour, $20 for the first hour and $10 for every additional hour, and it is a first come first serve type of thing. So they have paddle boats, paddle boards, kayaks and canoes, singles and double kayaks. I'm on a single right now. I'll show off my wonderful setup here. I've got a trash bag to pick up trash and water bottle, and then I'm trying out my Seal Line 5mm dry bag, and so far it's been doing pretty good. Haven't had any complaints so far. It hasn't ripped yet, which is always a good sign. But yeah, I'm just still kind of leaving the store area. You can see that's where the store is over there. But I'm gonna head out to I'm gonna go head out to Devil's Watering Hole, troll around a little bit, see what I can find. I can already see some American coots, which are some migratory birds that are some stragglers that are staying down here for the for the spring. And then I'm hoping to see we have a reported nest somewhere that I'm not going to disclose the location of, that's away from the Devil's Watering Hole. I guess that's all I'll say is. And I'm trying to see if I can find. Yeah, we still have some Canada geese nests. That's mainly what it is. And then you can't, it's hard to see, but I've got dragonflies like surrounding me. It's really cool. But yeah, so let's get going. Going straight down there, that's how you get to Devil's Watering Hole. So basically, behind us here is the store. So you see that you see that fishing pier? Might be a little bit harder to see in the sun. But there's a fishing pier over there. You basically go past that all the way down to there, which will be where the water hole is. Now, this is about an hour kayak there and back. I'm definitely extending it out by enjoying the scenery here, but it's a good one. Oh, I think I see a scalp. Yeah, it's a scalp or a scalp. It's a lesser scalp. It's a bird. But yeah, so if you're ever wondering, you just hang right out of this when you're leaving the lake on the lake. When you're leaving the store, you'll just keep going straight, hanging right. You'll go past the fishing, and then you'll go all the way down that way. really hard to tell, but there's like, I'm surrounded by turtles. Like there's turtles all of them there. There's turtles on those rock. There's turtles on that rock. And then there's an egret. And oh, there's cute. I'm surrounded by turtles. Made it to the watering hole. Look how pretty it is. So I finished up here at Devil's Watering Hole. I'm gonna head back to the store, and then I'm gonna do a very short, quick hike to show y'all the bluebonnets on Pecan Flats. I'm not gonna go. I might do all of Pecan Flats. I'm not 100% sure if I really want to. Someone just jumped in. That's so cool. So I might not do all of Pecan Flats. I might just do a part of it. But I'm gonna go. We're gonna go look at some bluebonnets. So let's head back to the store. Might explore a little bit of a side area, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, let's head back. So we're on Pecan Flats. This is by far the best trail to see bluebonnets and other wildflowers on. I'm going to go over some quick reminders on if you are going to come out here either this year or next year. Don't pick the bluebonnets. Don't lay in the bluebonnets, because then the bluebonnets will not be able to grow back as strongly next year. And just enjoy them from trail. Kind of, in general, leave no trace practices. I'm just going to do a little bit of Pecan Flats just because I'm tired and it is kind of getting hot and I don't want to do too much. But yeah, so we're just going to go up to like the Super Bloom area and see what it looks like right now. I was out here, I think, last week or the week before. So let's take it. Can you believe it? These are all blue bonnets, and you've got blue bonnets, paintbrushes. You have some blanket flowers coming in on the peripheries. It's just absolutely gorgeous out here. This is the super bloom that everyone keeps talking about here at Inks, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, just look at them. They're so pretty, and they smell amazing. They aren't as healthy looking as they were last week, just because they are starting to seed. Because blue bonnets only last around like 2 to 3 weeks in Texas. That's when their season is, and then they're done. But oh my God, it smells amazing out here. I'm gonna get some other shots of some of these other flowers, and then I'm gonna call it quits for the day. Okay, I'm gonna call it here for the video. Again, a reminder, if you're coming to Inks Lake, to take photos of blue bonnets, to make sure that you don't step, squish, or pick them, leave no trace and all that jazz. Okay, if you like this type of content, let me know down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and happy trails, y'all!